Oh man, I remember the countless hours and sleepovers and pizza that was consumed playing tournaments of Twisted Metal 2 with my buddies. I think it's an iconic game. I remember just staying up all night trying to beat the game to watch the animations at the end, because I absolutely loved them. I thought they were great, even though, you know, there wasn't much movement, you know, it's just motion graphics. But now we get a original show. Now, if it's as bad, here's the new trailer, right? And we're going to watch it in a second. I haven't seen it, but if it's anything nearly as bad as when he was fighting with Sweet Tooth, I couldn't even make it through that whole thing. It looked terrible. But let's watch it. This is the newest official trailer, so let's take a look.
The world fell to shit. Cities put up walls to protect themselves and threw the criminals out so they could fight over what was left. But there are humble motherfuckers like me.
Cool, we got a little Subaru, little Scooby-Doo.
That's where the cars and guns come in. Give me the fucking stuff, man!
Do we notice any cars from... I'm just trying to look for cars that are from the actual games.
And the exit is... Oh, they have a Foot Locker. Oh, son of a...
Welcome to New San Francisco. I want to hire you. Pick up a package, right?
I already don't like this. Okay. Sorry, I'm jumping the gun. Let's just finish this.
What do you wish for?
Toilet paper. 2-ply.
I think I can do better.
3-ply? All right, Evelyn, let's deliver this package. It's rude not to introduce yourself before pulling a gun on someone. Oh, this is rude. If you put the gun down, I'll drop you off as close as I can to where you're going.
Is that Chicago? Is that the Sears Tower right there? Is that my stomping ground here?
She's quiet. She don't talk.
Motherfucker, eat shit.
Much.
You have no idea what's out east.
Even the people trying to bring the law back are dangerous.
This is our land. These are our roads. And they're gonna have to go through Vegas.
I think I just noticed. Did I see Thumper in that pink car?
I've never seen anyone cut off a human head and catch it as good as that.
Like, Sweet Tooth looks really good. I think Sweet Tooth looks great.
This is gonna be fun.
That scene in the arcade, in the slots, was terrible. No, that's not even Thumper. That wasn't even Thumper.
This never happened to me before. Really? Yeah. Oh, man.
Oh my god, it's DMV.
What's down the red line? Cool. Screams.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't think I can get into this one. Let's read some of the comments. Yeah, see, that's what I just want to see Minion, Axel, and Mr. Grimm, my favorite characters in the game. They didn't even quickly give us a teaser of that. Are they even in it? Are they saving it, right? For later episodes? This looks way better than all the previous clips and trailers. I don't think so. Was it better than the clip when him and Sweet Tooth were fighting? Yeah. Wow. Really? This looks absolutely incredible. Oh, so Outlaw, Shadow, and Twister. Did we was that cop's? I guess that cop was Outlaw. But did we see his I was trying to look for anything that looked remotely like the game designs. Maybe that's why I didn't see it. Are they boosting like positive comments? I mean, it has 6.6 thousand upvotes and 1.4 thousand downvotes. I don't know. Hey, listen, don't let my opinion ruin your fun. Okay, if you like it, watch it, and if it's great and you enjoy it and you're having fun while doing it, Good on you. I think that's great. I'm sorry, I'm not excited for this whatsoever. I'll go watch something else. I don't know what it is. I don't know. I'll watch some like cool anime. I still have to watch what's that, Chainsaw Head Man? That looked phenomenal. Probably got the title wrong. Sorry. Are you excited for the new Twisted Metal? Do you have Peacock to watch it? Let me know what your opinions are. Do you have as big nostalgia as I do, and I know a lot of my other gaming friends, for the Twisted Metal gaming series? Leave a comment down below. I'm trying to get down to 2,000 followers. It's a slow uphill grind. Almost need just about 500 more. Appreciate it if you like, subscribe. It helps. But otherwise, you know where to find me. That's some news. Take care.